channel of me is Poco F4, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this Poco smartphone. First of all, you need to find clock. It should be in the tools folder. Then click on it and tap on this clock icon at the top. Then click on this plus one at the bottom and set up an hour. Following that, just repeat and tap on one of those options. Once daily, Monday to Friday, or custom. If you want to choose custom, you need to click on it and set up days of the week manually. Then save them by choosing OK. Now click on label and label your alarm however you want to. Then click on OK and tap on this switcher next to vibrate when alarm sounds to disable or enable vibrations. Now click on ringtone and tap on the best melody from here, or choose our ringtones, tap on pre-install ringtones and click on apply next to one of those, like beep. Then click on OK to set it up. But you can also click on this plus icon instead at the bottom right corner, choose one of those sources, I will go with File Manager, and tap on the song from your smartphone. Then save it by clicking on the check mark below. Now you need to click on Apply next to it and tap on OK. Then go back, choose Allow in the pop-up, go back again and save your alarm by clicking on this check mark at the top right corner. Select Allow one more time, and as you can see, my alarm was successfully added. If you wish to switch it off completely, click on the switcher next to it and select one of those options. If you wish to turn it back on, tap on the same one. In order to get rid of your alarm, you need to hold it and tap on this bin icon at the bottom. If you wish to adjust more alarm settings, you can always do that by tapping on those three dots at the top right corner, selecting settings and adjusting all of them however you want to. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!